Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is a bit like a sit down and a talk video with you all, and that is related to, is CSIR the end of your career? Like बहुत सारे students I'm getting, like I have a number of students connected with me now, so I get a lot of messages, a lot of like students have this particular problem that they are facing anxiety, they are facing stress, they are facing a number of issues because they are not able to qualify this particular examination. See, first thing first, understand this particular thing, students, that it's not the end of world. You have a lot of other things to try off. Okay, do not pressurize yourself to an extent that you get mentally weak, like you get problems in your personal life, you get problems in your health, like you start to have health issues. So try to relax your mind. Whenever your mind is at relax, whenever you are at your most relaxed state, I'm telling you, you can find out your own niche. Do not think about that what the other person is doing. Some students are good in the examination point, some students are good in some other fields. So try out for the examination. This is just a very very random and a very relaxed one-on-one conversation with you all. So try taking it that way. Okay, so try to find your interest areas in this particular era when we have so many options. Why are you pressurizing yourself with just one option? It's a very good platform, it's a very good thing that you want to continue the research field, you want to go ahead with that, do that, very good, excellent, perform in the best manner possible. But agar 3 attempts, 4 attempts, 5 attempts के बाद if you are not able to do, बच्चे, instead of sitting and like thinking negative about yourself or thinking negative about your life, it's better that you try to find out a different perspective, that you try to find out a complete set of new thing for yourself, because we have so many options out there. So find out your niche, find out your own interest area. I agree to the point, the society will think about that, why are you changing your field, why are you thinking about quitting this particular thing, but that is for you, that is not for the society. So even I have taken so many bold decisions at times when it was completely against the societal norms, but I'm telling you, these decisions are initially bit difficult for us to digest, but when you start to succeed in those fields, when you start to get yourself stabilized in those fields, those people are going to come and congratulate you. So just don't think about the society. Find out what do you want with your life, what is the thing that you actually want to do. See, we have to understand this particular thing, that yes, the master's students, us as a botany student, zoology student, we have a bit of less of opportunities in our own fields. I'm not being a negative person, just stating the actual course. So it's a very much realistic fact that we have to accept, right? But the point is, everyone is not made for research, everyone is not made for PhD, everyone is not made for any other specific thing. You are an individual, you have to find out your own interest area, what you feel like. Some students would be good in dancing, some students must be good in let's say painting. So if I ask a dancing student to compare himself or herself with a student who can let's say sing well, obviously he would think himself down, right? So try to not compare yourself. First, find your own niche. Second, then do whatever is good for your mental health, because that is something very important. I know I am making this particular video which is completely off track of what we actually like deliver on our application. But we have a lot of students, right? And be it of any field, every student have these problems, and even I had these problems when I was preparing, when I was going through a tough phase. At that time even I was thinking, was it enough? Like, is it enough? Am I doing it right? Am I not doing it right? So all these things everyone go through. Okay, so take a break if you're able to. Like, see, if you're actually interested in research, I am here to help you out for your CSIR NET examination, always, as your guide, as your elder sister. And if you're elder to me, your younger sister, you can ask your mentor, you can ask your doubts, you can share your personal problems, you can share your whatever problems you are facing, you can have a word with me. Like, but make sure that you're not pressurizing yourself to a point that it starts to affect your physical health, that it starts to impact your personal life. This is the age for you to discover yourself. It's not the age for you to sit and take burden of life. Having a focused career is very, very important, but please make sure that you are, whatever you are passionate in, try to do that. Do not think about the society कि मैंने masters किया है, so now I have to go for net, and then I have to go for PhD. No, it's not compulsory. Many students do not go for PhD, they do something else. So try finding out your own niche. Prepare for this examination. If you feel like that I want to go into the research field, do it that way. But अगर आपको मन नहीं है, किसी के प्रेशर में आके please don't work, please, because this, whatever you decide at this point, this is going to stay with you till the time you're working, till the time you're having your working professional life, till the time you retire in your life. So find your passion. At the end of the day, you should sleep well, and I am telling you this with my own personal experience, that whatever thing that you do, you should be able to sleep peacefully, and that comes when we are doing something with passion or something of our own interest. So try not comparing yourself, try not thinking about anything that लोग क्या कहेंगे, उनका तो काम है कहना. Why would we have to think about them? If we don't do anything extra, who will give them that masala for speaking? Let them talk, let them just say whatever they want to. But the point is, do what you feel like. Just have that confidence. I'm telling you, the transition phase of 6 months is difficult, but after that you'll be blooming. I know it's a complete random video, but I felt that this is something that need to be shared, and because I have a platform where I can share many things with my students, so I thought of using this particular platform. So please, just a suggestion, take this particular thing as a normal video, not demoralizing you, not stating anything about any of the work, any of the thing. It's just a personal suggestion that find your niche, do what you love, and find your passion, and make sure that nothing is affecting and nothing is beyond your personal health, beyond your health and beyond your life. Trust the process and trust the timing of your life. Work in the best manner possible, be honest to your work, but do not pressurize yourself to a point that you are getting depressed, that you are getting anxious about the things. Enjoy your life, study hard, be focused with your career, and try to balance out the two things. So this was about for this particular video. If you got some kind of motivation, got some kind of relief in your mind, do let me know in the comment sections below. I would love to hear from you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting our platform till this particular point, and we continue to wish to get your support in the further journey as well. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck everyone, take care and study hard. Bye.